So a day after the result is out in the Maharashtra, we are at the Marine Drive where it's a Sunday morning and people have come out to in fact chill here at the Marine Drive, and we have also come here to to witness the beauty here at the Maharashtra, and will also after BJP led Mahayuti has formed the government in Maharashtra, what the people think about the CM phase and whom they want to see as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. We'll go across them and take their reactions. Also we have women with us, the youngsters, also the men here who have been the biggest contributor to choose their people, to choose their leader who will work for them for the 5 years. Let me go across them and talk regarding whom they want to see as their chief minister. Hi, what's your name?
Aditya.
Aditya, whom do you want as the chief minister of Maharashtra?
Mr. Eknath Shinde.
Eknath Shinde. Why? Anything you like about him?
No, I just like the work which he is doing in Maharashtra. That's the reason.
And what do you think is the biggest thing that have won the Mahayuti with such a majority mark?
The work which he has done, the schemes which he has provided, because of that, the people has given a trust to him. Yeah.
Okay. Whom you want to see the chief minister of Maharashtra?
I think it is Eknath Shinde.
Okay. What do you like about him?
The work he's been doing, like he's been thinking for women. He has been giving scholarships to students. So as a young generation, I think it's better that he's focusing more on studies and other related aspects.
Also a scheme that they have brought for Ladki Behan, like that have worked in these elections, and that's why they have got such a mandate. Do you think that?
Probably yes, because the villages in Maharashtra, the women there, they are getting money for their personal works, which they don't need to ask for other family members. And yeah, that is the good thing that has worked for him.
Ladki Behan was one of the key role, or we can say the key scheme that has worked for the BJP-led Mahayuti. What do you think? Who is the better face for the Maharashtra, and whom you want to see, Eknath Shinde, or you want to chain Ajit Pawar or Devendra Fadnavis?
As it right now, I think that Eknath Shinde will be the best face because of him he has led so many schemes and all, as she said, and I think because of that also we want him as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And that's
okay. So anything you want to share, like why BJP should bring him back and not any other face?
I think before those who are the CMs, he has done something different, different in Maharashtra rather than other CMs who were previously, and I think that's the reason.
Okay. One thing also I want to ask, what one change you want to see in the Maharashtra? Do you think that the development is not at that pace, or any other issue?
I think they should more focus on rural areas rather than urban areas. We have seen that Mumbai is quite doing good, but in I think southern or eastern part of Maharashtra, in Vidarbha and all that districts, the urbanization is not more there, and many people are not properly surviving there. So I think that's the reason.
Okay. So there you heard the youngsters. Now we'll go across the women here, what they think and whom they want as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Ma'am, kya naam hai aapka?
My name is Mrs. Johnson.
Johnson, ma'am, what do you think? Who should be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
I think Devendra Fadnavis.
Okay.
He has done quite a good job, and we elderly people and the old citizens are benefiting from him being here.
Okay. Also, I would like to know what are the major issues. Can you please give me sight? Okay. What are the major issues here in Maharashtra that need to be addressed?
Actually, they are working quite well, doing a good job. So I think they are, using their time well, and they are at the correct point where they have to be. So, I don't have any suggestion to give as of that. They are really doing a good job.
Also, one thing that has worked for Mahayuti, or we can say BJP-led Mahayuti.
The benefits that he has given for the ladies, the young girls who are now in the colleges, and we senior citizens.
Okay. Yeah. Also, so we'd like to talk to you also. What's your name?
My name's Andrew.
What did you think, who should be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? There are choices, there are senior leaders like Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar or Eknath Shinde should return back.
According to me, I feel Devendra Fadnavis would be a good candidate to become the Chief Minister because for the past 5 years, the amount of changes that we have seen under his guidance, it's phenomenal. It's really great. So I personally feel Devendra Fadnavis should be back in the seat.
If not him, then who?
If not him, then Eknath Shinde ji, because he is also working tirelessly. I would say he is putting forward a lot for the Maharashtrians. So second choice would be Eknath Shinde ji.
Okay. So there you heard Eknath Shinde or Devendra Fadnavis. Sir, whom you want to see as the Chief Minister? What's your choice?
See, before this, when Mr. Fadnavis was running the government for 5 years, till today we never heard any scam of that government. And that is a basic point where BJP turned over the Congress because of all the scams and this thing. From my side, it is better to be Devendra Fadnavis because already he has run 5 years and this Mr. Shinde was there in between whatever the transition happened in the government for the 2.5 years. There also the brain was BJP to turn the government and making the Shinde as a CM. So same thing right now also the winning or whatever the votes you've got. The major work is from the BJP. The brainchild is BJP. So better they will get the better government to run because they've got 133 seats total. So stable government we get.
Also, what did you think? What one thing that worked for Bharatiya Janata Party led
अभी लास्ट में बहुत कुछ हुआ ना वक्फ बोर्ड ये वो बहुत सी चीजें आ गई कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे कि सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर वक्फ बोर्ड का है तो these things goes against to them ना
एक है तो सेफ है. How did you see that?
ये तो सबके लिए है ना फैमिली भी सभी सारे ही एक होने चाहिए एक है तो सेफ है ऑलरेडी.
आपसे भी पूछना चाहूंगी हाउ डिड यू सी बीजेपी हैज गिवन स्लोगन एक है तो सेफ है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर आल्सो सेड दिस.
I feel the slogan goes good and Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he is making India a safe country. That's my comments.
And what do you think?
Yes, the comment was very good because, yes, he is doing a lot of good for our country and taking it to a higher place where it should be.
Earlier, this slogan was given for the Maharashtra, but now he is saying that this is the central slogan now. This is for the country now.
Yeah, it's a good slogan that he has given and I'm sure he's taking India to better heights.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to us, everyone. Thank you so much for giving us time. So there you heard the voices of Mumbaikars and they have choices. They have a senior faces here in Maharashtra like Ajit Pawar, Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde. Now their choices is around the Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis, but this remains to be seen who will be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra as BJP-led Mahayuti have won the great marks here, have won with a great votes here in the Maharashtra, Mumbai. And also when we talk about, people are very hopeful regarding the development in the Mumbai.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.